Okay, it's Friday afternoon, and I totally realized I forgot something. Tomorrow, Saturday, okay, right after the adult class at 11 o'clock, I'm holding a special workshop, okay? And the reason why I'm holding this workshop is because I have a whole crap load of nunchaku that need to be tied. So the workshop is going to be how to tie a nunchaku, okay? And we're going to sit there, we're going to pick different colors of string, we're going to have fun with it, and I'm going to teach everybody how to tie nunchaku the Kinjo method, with the Kinjo method, or at least the way I think I got the Kinjo method learned, okay? So if you want to join me and help me tie some nunchaku from 11 to 11:30, 12 o'clock, tomorrow, I'd love to see you. And if you'd like to take your nunchaku home with you, we're going to give a discount, $45. Since you tied the string yourself, we'll save you 10, 20 bucks there. Okay? See you guys tomorrow.